ياخذ دقيقة لايف، دقيقة لايف. واشكو
Niger national team is led for the African Cup of Nations. It's one of the nations that has so many experienced and valuable players, and they have always been doing well in different competitions, African competitions. It's a fantastic collision, impressive one for having this kind of national team in African continent. Of course, it places, it also attracts African Cup of Nations. Is one of the competitive tournament in Africa, and this nation is led preparing for the tournament. Of course, in one way or another, they have always been doing well, and the fans, they have so many fans and the support from the government and the